We are here
I'll give you a test on how
behind a barn, and the purpose of the video is to examine the structural integrity of the tree tubes by Tree Pro. So let's go take a look. There are some massive gusts, but we will go show you how the integrity of these are holding up in the rain and wind. That was a concern of ours. Massive gusts.
Probably 40 miles an hour plus.
40 to 50 probably, and now we're getting some rain. Most of the gusts have probably stopped, but definitely a massive storm that has moved through. You can see some of the tubes moving just a little bit, but they are in good shape. We made sure to pack them down. They're the 5-foot oak stakes with the 5-foot tubes by Tree Pro, and make sure that our zip ties and our stakes have been properly secured and packed into the ground. We can just see them shimmering a little bit. We also have some of our tubes here as well. The storm is just blowing over our heads now, but boy, there's quite a few gusts certainly, so we're happy to see the performance of them so far.